So how do we know if someone is Salafi or someone is just saying I'm a Salafi? How do we
if
know?
a person is showing us that he's a Salafi, then we accept it from him, even if he doesn't believe it in his heart, because that same statement of Ibn Taymiyyah, that same question is what he was answering, which is, he said, if someone shows us Salafiyyah, we will accept it from him, just like we would accept somebody, their Islam from them. If he says, I'm a Muslim, from the apparent, because we were not, Shaykh Islam Taymiyyah says in that same quote, he said, we were not placed as ones to judge people's intentions. We're here to just rule and judge people based on their apparent action. So if a person says, I'm a Salafi, we'll take it from him. We wouldn't say, but your heart, this isn't what's in your heart, or this is not true, or that's not our job. But if after that he doesn't show what Salafiyyah is, and he doesn't hold on to Salafiyyah, he doesn't come with the simat, the usul that Salafiyyah stands on,
simat, usul,
characteristics and the foundations that Salafiyyah stands on. If he doesn't come with that, then it's just like somebody claiming Islam and not really being a Muslim. Like